Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel EV Explorer Zone. In this video, today we will talk about safety features that make electric cars stand out. Electric cars are known for their advanced safety features, many of which are specifically designed to leverage the unique characteristics of electric propulsion systems. These features contribute to making electric cars some of the safest vehicles on the road. Here are several safety features that make electric cars stand out. 1. Battery safety. Battery safety is paramount in electric vehicles, EVs, and hybrid electric vehicles, HEVs, due to the use of high-energy density lithium-ion batteries. Ensuring the safety of these batteries involves preventing thermal runaway, which can lead to fires or explosions. Manufacturers implement various safety features, such as battery management systems, BMS, to monitor cell temperatures, voltages, and currents in real time. Additionally, advanced battery pack designs incorporate materials that dissipate heat efficiently and are resistant to physical damage. Rapid advancements in battery safety technologies are crucial for consumer confidence in EVs and HEVs, fostering wider adoption of sustainable transportation solutions. 2. Regenerative braking. Regenerative braking systems enable vehicles to recover kinetic energy during braking or deceleration, converting it back into electrical energy stored in the battery. This technology improves energy efficiency and extends the driving range of electric vehicles. By reducing reliance on traditional friction brakes, regenerative braking also contributes to brake longevity and maintenance cost savings. The integration of regenerative braking into hybrid and electric vehicles underscores the shift towards sustainable mobility and resource conservation. Moreover, it enhances the driving experience by providing smoother deceleration and reducing wear on braking components. 3. Low center of gravity. A low center of gravity, COG, is essential for vehicle stability, handling, and safety. Vehicles with a lower COG are less prone to rollovers and exhibit better cornering performance. Achieving a low COG involves strategic design choices, such as placing heavy components like batteries or engines lower in the vehicle chassis. This design approach not only enhances driving dynamics but also improves overall safety by minimizing the risk of loss of control during sudden maneuvers or adverse road conditions. Low COG is particularly advantageous in electric vehicles, where battery packs are often positioned under the vehicle floor, contributing to a lower overall mass distribution. 4. Enhanced collision warning systems. Collision warning systems utilize sensors and advanced algorithms to detect potential collision threats and alert the driver in real time. These systems often incorporate radar, lidar, and camera technologies to assess the vehicle's surroundings and calculate potential collision risks. Depending on the severity of the situation, collision warning systems can issue alerts through visual, auditory, or haptic feedback, prompting the driver to take evasive action. In some cases, these systems are integrated with autonomous emergency braking, AEB, to automatically apply brakes if the driver fails to respond promptly. 5. Pedestrian alert systems. Pedestrian alert systems are designed to enhance pedestrian safety by alerting drivers to the presence of pedestrians or cyclists near the vehicle, particularly in urban environments where interactions between vehicles and vulnerable road users are frequent. These systems typically utilize sensors such as cameras, radar, or lidar to detect pedestrians and assess potential collision risks. Upon detection, alerts can be issued to the driver through visual or auditory cues, prompting them to take corrective action to avoid accidents. Some advanced systems even include automatic braking capabilities to mitigate collisions if the driver fails to respond in time. Pedestrian alert systems are crucial for reducing pedestrian fatalities and injuries, especially in densely populated areas where visibility may be compromised. 6. Air quality management. Air quality management systems in vehicles focus on minimizing emissions of pollutants, such as nitrogen oxides, NOx, particulate matter, PM, and volatile organic compounds, VOCs, to improve air quality and public health. Modern internal combustion engines are equipped with sophisticated emission control technologies like catalytic converters and exhaust gas recirculation (EGR) systems to reduce harmful emissions. In electric vehicles, zero tailpipe emissions contribute directly to improved air quality, especially in urban areas where air pollution is a significant concern. Additionally, advanced cabin air filtration systems help mitigate exposure to external pollutants, ensuring a cleaner and healthier environment inside the vehicle. 7. Over-the-air updates. Over-the-air (OTA) updates enable vehicles to receive software updates and patches remotely, much like how smartphones or computers receive updates. This technology allows automakers to continuously improve vehicle performance, add new features, and address security vulnerabilities without requiring physical visits to service centers. OTA updates also facilitate the deployment of advanced driver assistance systems, ADAS, enhancements, and connectivity features, ensuring that vehicles remain up to date with the latest technologies throughout their lifecycle. By leveraging OTA updates, automakers can enhance customer satisfaction, streamline maintenance processes, and adapt vehicles to evolving regulatory requirements seamlessly. 8. Driver Assistance Systems. Driver Assistance Systems (DAS) encompass a range of technologies designed to assist drivers in operating vehicles more safely and efficiently. These systems often include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and traffic sign recognition, among others. Driver assistance systems leverage sensors, cameras, and advanced algorithms to detect potential hazards, provide real-time alerts, and even intervene autonomously when necessary to prevent accidents. While DAS technologies are not fully autonomous, they represent a crucial stepping stone towards the development of self-driving vehicles by gradually delegating more driving tasks to automated systems. Ultimately, driver assistance systems aim to enhance overall road safety, reduce driver fatigue, and pave the way for future autonomous mobility solutions. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.